Hi everybody, Kyle Tucker here, BFGoodrich performance team member, and just wanted to show you what we're doing to stay safe and healthy, and hope you all are too during this time of isolation. We'd much rather be out on the road and racing and doing what we all like to do, same as you probably, but wanted to give you a tour here at Detroit Speed, kind of behind the curtain and what we do day in and day out. We're going into our Fab Shop now, so this is the fabrication shop for the car build area, and you can see, you know, from trucks to SUV to some old hot rods, muscle cars. We've got a mixture of different things we're building. This is kind of what we do day in and day out and what our products are built for. A 71 Pontiac Firebird, 66 Mustang Fastback. You can see it has all our suspension and chassis underneath. It's got some cool hand-built wheel flares on it to take advantage of 315 tires all the way around. One that we're getting ready to start on is a 69 Dodge Charger. This one we just finished the renderings on, and it's going to be a super cool project. So be coming back to the website to check this one out. True Boss 302 Mustang that we just finished last year and getting ready to deliver to the customer in Texas. And this one literally is when you're living in a bubble. This car has lived in a bubble. If it's not out at a show somewhere, it's called Tux. This is a C10 truck that we're doing for a customer up in Pennsylvania. It's got our new suspension components on it, and actually an IRS from our C3 Corvette rear suspension when we built into the truck. So this is going to be a really cool project and a really cool truck. 65 Buick Riviera that he just shot last week. Michael runs our body shop, and Austin's off this week, but that's what Michael likes to do. He likes to sand. He's a fun guy. He likes to spread Bondo, and but he likes to sand. So we're glad he's here, and he's very good at it. So this will be a really cool project too. A lot of one-off parts that the guys have designed. A lot of parts that we've 3D printed, a lot of parts that we've machined, and a really cool car when this one comes together. So anxious to show you this. You know, we could go up and see maybe the car shop where we keep our personal cars and our fleet that we run and race and tear up and fix, and let's go up and visit them. This is where we've got cars that we've campaigned for years. The 70 Camaro that we've raced a little bit everywhere, and one of my favorites that we've raced and crashed and put back together and won with. A lot of memories from this car. Sits on 315 Rival S's in the front, 335 Rival S's in the back, and pretty cool massed LS7 dry sumped engine with a Bowler 6-speed and all the goodies. So it's one of my go-tos, and we ran it for a number of years, and it's been the test car for this product line that you probably know of and remember the BFGoodrich John Greenwood livery from. One of my favorite C3 road race Corvettes, and now we have one of our own that runs all of our suspension parts, and this was kind of our test car for the C2, C3 Corvette parts. So we've run it for a couple of years now, and a lot of success autocrossing, and I love it because it goes back and ties back to the BFG John Greenwood days. So one of my favorites, and awesome car to drive, and sounds even better than it looks, I think. This will get some action still, I'm confident, this year. And this is our DSE IROC. Pretty fun car. We've got a nice product line that's for the third gen Camaros and Firebirds, and sits on again on Rival S's. Our go-to tire, of course, for track days and autocrosses. And we've had some success with this car already too, so we're anxious to get it out this year and tear up some tires and make some noise. Hope you enjoyed the Built on BFG and what we're building on BFG. Stay safe, and check us out anytime at DetroitSpeed.com, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And believe me, we're in there rooting for BFG to get through this, and we all will. Thank you.